Hello, I am Ms. McCalmon. Today we are talking about our Picasso-inspired abstract portraits. We talked a lot about this in my first video. We talked about how shapes can become faces. So I'm going to start with an oval, and then a triangle, and a little football almond eye shape, and maybe like a taco shell. It's good to practice your shapes like a diamond before you start your drawing so you know what kind of shapes you're going to need when you start drawing. So I'm going to start with a triangular nose. This is not what my nose really looks like. And then a big round shape. I'm going to draw one eyeball. So right now we are in what is called a profile angle. So that means that is what a face looks like when it is turned to the side. A lot of Picasso's portraits kind of look like a profile combined with a straight-on portrait. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm adding a little bit of a smile. The eyes do not match up. I'm adding a nostril and some eyebrows. It's a little bit crazy looking. I'm adding a triangle here just to kind of show that general cheek shape. And just kind of a wiggly shape for my neck. And a lot of his portraits actually do include hair. It looks a little bit more geometric than my actual hair. And now I'm just going to outline everything in my black marker, add some eyelashes. You can add whatever details you might want. Coloring in my ear, adding my hair, the nostril line, and there you go. And then I'm going to color it. And remember, he used bright colors that would stand out next to each other. So I'm going to use yellow and purple because they are complementary colors. They are on the opposite side of the color wheel from each other. So that purple triangle and the eyebrow and hair are really going to pop next to the yellow face. And then on the other side, I'm going to draw with green, which is very close to the purple, but it is pretty bright against the yellow. And then some blue. You can color in your portrait in whatever colors you like. I'm adding some orange, and that is my finished Picasso portrait. So this was a very fast demonstration, but I want you to think about how you can make your own Picasso portrait. What shapes do you see in your own face? Do you see a triangle in your nose, a rectangle, or another shape? Can you add curvy lines? Does everything have to be straight? It is up to you. You should be able to make whatever kind of Picasso face you want, but you need to keep in mind the shapes that you are using and the colors that you use. How can you make your portrait stand out?